Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today I'm gonna teach you the easiest scrambled eggs ever. Stay tuned. So firstly, I'm gonna start by cracking 2 eggs over here. I've taken 1 whole egg and 1 egg white. You can take 2 eggs or how many ever eggs you wanna eat, and some salt to it. Whisk it nicely. So firstly, I'm gonna take some butter on the pan and put 3 thin slices of tomato in it to get some tangy flavor along with the eggs. So this is what I do. You can totally skip this step. I'm just gonna grill them nicely on both the sides till it has a nice brown char to it. And that's done. So I'm gonna take about a teaspoon of butter onto the pan, let it melt, and make sure the flame over here is low. It is very crucial for the flame to be low and not on high or medium. Now I'm gonna pour over the whisked eggs, and as soon as you pour them over, make sure you start mixing them, because if you don't, it will form into an omelette. You can also add some more butter at this stage, but I'm not doing that. Once you see the egg has started cooking, you can shut the flame like I did it over here, and also you can season it with black pepper or salt if you want. And it's done. It was so simple, you guys. It looks a bit runny over here, but trust me, it will cook on its own until it's hot. So whenever you want to put it on the toast, make sure it is a little runny, because it will keep on cooking till the time it's hot. And that's how the easiest scrambled eggs are made. You can put any toppings like cheese or grilled tomatoes like I have done over here, and some dhania. Let me know in the comments below, how do you like this recipe. Also check out other healthy recipes on my channel. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make these. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.